Honourable Speaker, I thank the Honourable Member for that question. The body parts are incinerated in the incinerator. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. My supplementary question, does the Minister deny that body parts have been dumped at the Namboro landfill?
You have the floor. Honourable Minister.
Honourable Speaker, I'll just say that the body parts are incinerated. I don't know what the question means. I've never ever said before that body parts have been put anywhere else. We can bring it to the floor of Parliament. The supplementary question is obviously quite left blindside. Honourable Speaker, when the boiler services, when the incinerator and that whole building burned on the west wing, the incinerator was also damaged. And as I was alluded to in the reply that I gave yesterday, there was asbestos. So that was all cleared out hygienically. And from Navua all the way, from Korobo all the way to Navua, the incinerator CWM used to be used. During that period, we then put in incinerators in both Korobo, also in Navua, and we've also used to an extent the incinerator in Lota Hospital. That incinerator was so important because, as you are aware, that we had the isolation facility in Navua. So because of COVID requirement, we had to make sure that isolation facilities had their own incineration. So we were able to use it for the body parts. We have made arrangements in procuring another incinerator specifically for CWM. We've had the Ministry of Environment work with us on this. We have been told there's some issues around maybe the smoke. So we're doing a environmental evaluation on this. We've also had development partner support come to us, looking at ways of incineration, maybe at CWM or maybe at another location that may be different. Some of the things that are being discussed is obviously also the use of microwave as a mechanism instead of just open fire incineration.